We are here at a waterfall renovation that we are doing in West Deptford, New Jersey. And we just got here and we're taking out this old waterfall that was built like 20 years ago. It's like this old cast kind of artificial thing that doesn't look wonderful. The project is inspired by the Johnson job on our website, so check it out. And that's kind of the presentation that we gave to the customer on what we thought would fit this space. So today's like a demo day. The customers are very meticulous. The lawn's perfect. They got a beautiful paver driveway. So we have to bring probably 5 or 6 tons of material out of the yard, all this stuff. And then we've got to bring 10 or 15 tons of material into the yard, including the base material, the rocks, the boulders, and all that. So we're putting our mats down to cover the lawn, and we're kind of protecting this property. So when this job's done, which will probably take 3 days, 1 day a demo, 2 days to build, this place, you won't even know we're here. You can see how we're protecting this driveway. Again, the details are important. You could build the most beautiful water feature in the world, but if you leave the property a mess, people are not going to be happy. As you can see, Javier put down a fabric on top of the driveway, so we're not even getting dirt on this driveway. That's the way we roll, right? So protected there, we got rubber mats, these thick rubber mats that we put down on the driveway, and then on top of that, we put a hard plastic mat, and these are more for like rutting, but we use both, right? So there's a double protection on this driveway, because again, this is a beautiful paver driveway, and when this is all done, you're not going to have rubber marks, you're not going to have dirt, you're not going to have nothing. By next week, like I said, 3 days, 1 day a demo, 2 days to build. This will be done. You'll have a running waterfall, it'll be landscaped, the lighting will work, and you won't even know we were here.